Hello students, today we will discuss about Ohm's law. It states that Ohm's law states that voltage applied in the circuit is directly proportional to current. This is battery which gives voltage to this circuit V, and this is resistance of the circuit capital R. We switch on this battery, then a current small I flows through this circuit. Okay, so what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that voltage is directly proportional to current. So voltage V here and the current flowing through this circuit is small I. If these two parameters is directly proportional to each other, then this circuit follows Ohm's law. Then it is known as ohmic circuit. If this circuit follows Ohm's law, then it is known as ohmic circuit. Okay. If we remove these proportionality sign, here comes a constant R. V is equals to IR. Okay. This capital R is known as electrical resistance. Electrical resistance. And you already know V is the voltage and small I is the current. If you know any two parameters in this formula, suppose if you know voltage V and I, then you easily determine the total resistance in the circuit. Let us take an example to understand this, how to use this formula. Let us take an example. If voltage of this circuit is 50 volt and the current flowing through this circuit is 5 ampere. Ampere is the unit of current and capital V is the unit of voltage, that is volt. Volt is the unit of voltage, correct? And we need to determine the total resistance of this circuit, that means R. So here we apply the formula R is equals to V upon I. Simply cross multiply of this formula, then you get R is equals to V upon I. So here current is given and voltage is given, then you easily determine the value of electrical resistance. So put the values of V and I and get the answer of electrical resistance. V is 50 volts and I is 5 ampere. So divide these two, you get the answer 10 ohm, because ohm is the unit of resistance, and in symbolic form it can be write as like this, correct? So 10 ohm is the total resistance of this circuit. Thank you students.